It's typically a cancer associated with smokers, but lung cancer can also be found in people who have never smoked before.
A Beaverton woman says that was her case. Fox 12's Connor McCarthy sat down with her to tell us her story of being diagnosed, then going into remission, all within 6 months' time.
When I heard that I had large tumor in my right lung, I just couldn't believe it. I couldn't take it at all. I just didn't think that was me.
Yoshiko Ashton lives an active lifestyle, running marathons, climbing glaciers, or just going on walks around her neighborhood. And she doesn't smoke, so the risk of being diagnosed with lung cancer was never on her radar.
I had a bad cough, so that didn't go away for a long time.
Yoshiko spent weeks consulting with her doctors, but the medicine they were giving her didn't do anything to get rid of the cough.
My primary care doctor checked my lungs, but she couldn't find anything. And then she ordered an X-ray, and then I found out I had a large tumor in my right lung.
Yoshiko says she was determined to get better. She was given options from doctors at Providence Cancer Institute on what to do next. That's when she met Dr. Navi Dharampal, a thoracic surgeon.
When I first saw her scan, I was a bit alarmist in saying that this is not necessarily something that I can take out. Not just I can't take out, I don't think this is a surgical disease.
Dr. Dharampal worked with other providers at Providence Cancer Institute to get Yoshiko into a chemo treatment that reduced the size of the tumor to operate. In August of 2022, Yoshiko's right lung was removed, and with that, the cancer.
The key was enlisting other caregivers who could come up with a multidisciplinary plan. Like I said, if she hadn't gotten chemo, we wouldn't have gotten it small enough for me to get it out.
Yoshiko is in remission and will take a drug for the next 3 years that Dr. Dharampal says will reduce the chance of the cancer returning.
She's back to doing her normal things, running, being outside. She has a wonderful family that I think she's had an opportunity to spend more time with, but she's done excellent.
Yoshiko says this whole experience changed her and her family's life, but she learned to always listen to her body when something doesn't feel right and get multiple opinions about her health. And she hopes other people do the same.
I strongly tell people that if you have lungs, you can get the lung cancer. That, which I never thought about, me getting lung cancer.
Connor McCarthy, Fox 12 Oregon.